Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Biometric gun safe here. Alright, this can be opened up a few different ways. Like that. So it's got either a keypad, biometrics, or these locks, or with these keys real quick. It's pretty heavy duty. This probably weighs, 15 pounds. It's like a solid metal there. This can be screwed into wherever also if you need to attach it somewhere. Check out on the inside here. So this slides over real quick if you need to. Access that, pops that out. And there you go. Has a little spring action there. Features some batteries. Nice foam insert in here as well. You can see the little eggshell carton foam in there to protect your firearm. So boom, get in there real quick and you're ready to go. This also, if you own firearms and you have them in your house, you definitely don't want your little ones getting a hold of it. So this offers some nice protection. While offering also quick access if necessary. So let's set this up real quick, show you guys how quick the biometrics and stuff works like that, and yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this comes with 4 AAA batteries, and these just have a little right on the inside here. Just attach those, and that's going to get our whole little system working here. Make sure you push them in the correct way. Difficult to see. And then our little top goes right in there, and it's just right on the side here. Might have to push a little egg crate foam out of the way just for a second till you get that in there. That locks into place just like make sure those are snap into place, and then it goes into place. Okay, now that we have that fired up, our buttons should work here. Okay, now that we have those in there, we want to set a fingerprint. So we can just a little button here on the left-hand side, right in front of the key here on the inside. You press that. It doesn't start, I just have to push it, and it should start flashing beep to remind. Okay, put it on there again, and there you go. Okay, we should just be able to shut this now and then put our fingerprint on there, and there you go. Within seconds, opens up. If you need to put another fingerprint in there, it says 30 fingerprints can be set, so you can just press it again, and then if you want to use a thumb, okay. So now we have fingerprint and thumb on there. If I need to get in there real quick, boom, and we're good to go. You can set the same multiple things of your thumb. It takes 3 on there, so press that one, these light up. And then you can do the key also if you need to set the code. So we'll set the code now for you guys. All right, well, to set the code now, we just simply press that so the lights start flashing blue, and then we can put whatever code we want in. Okay, the green light indicates with a beep, and then now it's set. So set, push the button, lights up, press your code, and there you go. You can set it to mute these buttons as well, so if you need to get your gun without making any noise, you can press, there's a way to do that as well. So once again, just press that light button on there, it'll start flashing, input the code that you want, and then press the button again, that changes. Super easy. All this is really straightforward on how to set it up. Okay, so if you do want to use the biometrics, you can't just put your finger on there. Activate it first by pressing any of the buttons, and then you're ready to go. So like I said, you can silence this if you want to. It's right in the instructions. That way, if you press that and then hit the biometrics, it's not going to make any noise at all to alert someone that maybe is in your house or whatever. So it also comes with these little screws. You can pull out the egg shell foam here protector, and it has the holes in the bottom here. You could screw these into the wood. I would recommend some longer screws than these, and it also comes with like a cable too if you wanted to like screw the cable in and use that as kind of a protection if someone tries to like rip it out of there or whatever. It has some holes in the back, right back here as well, so that could be anchored in there. Anyways, all in all, my friends, if you need quick access to your things, this could be a nice little thing by your bedside or whatever. Get in there quickly whenever you need to. Boom, it opens fast like that. So you can just put your fingerprint on there or whatever, pops it open. Or the key, I like how the key just opens and closes like that. So great little safe here. Seems actually really quite sturdy. I mean, heavy duty metal and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.